In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create lined paper in PowerPoint. This is a handy trick for anyone who wants to incorporate the classic look of lined notebook paper into their presentations, perhaps for a school project, a business report, or any other creative endeavor. Let's dive right in and see how it's done. First, you want to start by opening PowerPoint on your computer. This part is straightforward, but if you're new to PowerPoint, simply click on the software from your desktop or search for it in your applications. Once PowerPoint is open, navigate to the presentation you want to use, or start a new one if you want a fresh canvas. Now that you have your presentation ready, go ahead and look towards the top of the screen where you see various tabs. You want to click on the Insert tab. This step will allow us to bring in elements that are not already on the slide. Once you're in the Insert tab, you'll notice a variety of options. What we're interested in is the option labeled Table. Click on this to begin our creation. After clicking Table, select the size of the table you want. Think about how many lines you might want on your paper, as each row of the table will essentially represent a line of your paper. Once you've decided, you can drag the table onto your slide. Now take a moment to resize the table so it fits nicely within your slide's dimensions. Now we'll make this table look like lined paper. To customize the table, go over to the Table Design tab. This is where we can adjust the appearance to mimic lined paper. Within the Table Design tab, you'll see an option called Shading. You'll want to click on this to adjust how your table looks. Once you click Shading, choose the option that says No Fill. This step is crucial because it removes any background color from your table, allowing it to truly look like transparent lined paper. After the shading adjustments, let's move on to the borders. Look for the option that says Border in the same Table Design tab. Click on this and a list of border options will appear. From this list, you want to select Inside Horizontal Border. This selection applies horizontal lines only, which gives the effect of a typical lined piece of paper. And there you have it. You've successfully created lined paper in PowerPoint. It's a simple process that once mastered will be a valuable addition to your PowerPoint skill set. Feel free to experiment further with line colors and spacing to suit your style. Happy presenting!